Hello, this question was obtained from the official SAT study guide. So these are the kind of questions you would expect to find in your math SAT exams. So please read through this question and let's go ahead and solve it together. So here what we need to do, simplify the equation within the brackets. Okay, so here we need to open up the brackets. So further down, where you have ax plus 2 bracket bx plus 7, here we want to open up the bracket. So let's go ahead. Ax multiplied by bx will give us abx squared. Ax multiplied by 7 gives a 7ax plus 2 multiplied by bx will give us 2bx plus 2 multiplied by 7 will give us 14. Now the next stage, let's now put 7a plus 2b in a bracket. So we tidy that up because they have x in common, and we put the x outside. So now equating this equation, we get 5x plus cx plus 14. Looking at this, you can see that there are similarities. So we can from this obtain or deduce 2 more equations that will help us to solve for C. So take a look at where you have 14. You have 14 up there, 14 down here. The next you have 7a 2bx, on the bottom you have cx. So that means we can equate 7a plus 2b to be equals to c. And the next stage we can equate ab equal to 15. Okay. So we deduce that AB is equal to 15 and C is equal to 7A plus 2B. So if AB is equal to 15, and we only have 2 numbers that can multiply each other to give us 15, that's 3 times 5 or 5 times 3. So let's say if A is equal to 3, B should be 5, or if A is 5, B is 3. So both A times B should give us 15. Okay. Now, earlier on we have that A plus B is equal to 8. Therefore, if A is equal to 5 and B equal to 3, then 5 plus 3, A plus B is equal to 8. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So, now that we have that A is either 3 or 5, or B is either 3 or 5. So now to find C, we have 7A plus 2B is equal to C. So where A is 5 and B is 3, what we get is 7 times 5 plus 2 times 3, which will give us 36 plus 6, which is equal to 41. Therefore, C in this case, where A is 5 and B is 3, C will be 41. Okay, let's go on. Where you have A is equal to 3 and B is equal to 5, 7A plus 2B is equal to C will give us 7 times 3 plus 2 times 5, which is equal to C. Therefore, 7 times 3, 21, plus 2 times 5, 10, which will give us 31. Two possible values for C will be 41 and 31.